The best mini PCs are small and quiet, yet give you power for everything from web browsing to gaming in sizes way more convenient than a big PC. With compact designs that range from smaller desktops to stick PCs that can be slipped in a pocket, mini PCs leverage the small and energy efficient components from laptops to give you a surprising amount of power in a size that can be hidden behind a monitor. If you are looking for a best mini PCs, this video will help you out in choosing the best one. In this video, I am going to show you top 5 best mini PCs that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which mini PC did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Acer Chromebox, the best Chrome desktop mini PC. The Acer Chromebox may be the best desktop version of the Chrome OS available. Made for use in the classroom or in the office, the Chromebox delivers everything that's great about the Chrome: ease of use, simple security, and all the online capability you want in a mini PC that boosts great features and performance. The compact Chromebox can be mounted almost anywhere and boasts plenty of ports, including several USB 3.0 ports, HDMI output, and a USB Type-C port. The best configuration, it comes with the Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM and 64GB of SSD, combining to offer speedy performance and easy multitasking. Plus, it's cheaper than any similarly equipped Windows machine. For one of the best mini PC designs without the bloat of Windows, there is no beating the Acer Chromebox. Buy this mini PC for its compact design that can be easily mounted, includes plenty of ports, has excellent performance, and it also runs cool. The disappointment is limitation of the Chrome OS. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Dell Optiplex 7070 Ultra, the best mini PC for the office. With a funky design that hides the powerful mini PC inside a specially designed monitor stand that turns into a low-profile all-in-one PC. Packing plenty of capability into its tiny size and offering a modular solution for offices that want to upgrade often, the Dell Optiplex 7070 Ultra is a cool twist on the mini PC in the workplace. The mini PC itself is so slim, it might get mistaken for a laptop battery pack or a desktop dock, but inside it boasts an Intel Core processor, up to 64GB of RAM and as much as 1TB of storage. It has plenty of ports and performance that puts it squarely among the best productivity focused mini PCs you can buy. Consider this mini PC for its great performance. Mini PC meets all-in-one desktop, excellent port selection, and option of configurations available. The disappointments are it locks you into a new, untried ecosystem. The only disappointment with this is it locks you into a new, untried ecosystem. Intel NUC 9 Pro, the best workstation mini PC. The Intel NUC 9 Pro is a workstation mini PC that offers huge power and a surprising amount of upgradability. A workstation desktop is not an uncommon offering in the PC world, as they are the standard for many computationally demanding users, ranging from architecture to animation. What is unusual is to see that level of performance packed into a tiny design that is much smaller than a desktop. Throw in a room for huge amounts of RAM, added drivers and up to 8-inch graphics card, the Intel NUC 9 Pro is a rare beast indeed. And that's before discussing Intel's innovative Compute Element motherboard, which wets the modularity of the motherboard with the built-in cooling and self-contained design of the GPU to create a unique basis for a truly potent PC. Add it all up and it's definitely the best workstation available in mini PCs today. Buy this mini PC for its powerful workstation processing and graphics, compact size with a great port selection and upgradability, and innovative tech inside. The only disappointment is it is seriously expensive. Azulle Access 3, the best stick PC. Azul Access 3 takes our favorite tiny stick PC and makes it even better. With a compact design that's almost small enough to put in on a keychain and flexible enough to be used with any monitor or TV, the Access 3 gets a faster processor, speedier USB 3.0 ports, and adds Gigabit Ethernet for better performance and connectivity than any other stick PCs we have seen. The ZP performance even supports 4K video output, making it great for streaming. Whether it is for use in your home theater, powering digital signage, or just giving you a way to watch Netflix on your hotel TV, the Access 3 presses forward in a form factor that a larger manufacturer have largely forgotten. The Azul Access 3 is the best stick PC that you can buy today. Consider this stick PC for its elegant design that combines fanless cooling with a stylish looks, improved port selection boost USB 3.0 and Gigabit Ethernet, ZP performance with a 4K video support. The only disappointment with this is slow data transfer speeds. Apple Mac Mini with M1. Overall, the best mini PC. The latest version of the Apple Mac Mini may look unchanged from its predecessors, but there is a revolution hiding inside: the Apple M1 processor. Apple's first big step away from using Intel processor in Macs. The new chip offers a surprising amount of power, taking on more expensive Intel Core i3 and Core i5 systems and coming out the victor. Paired with Apple's macOS Big Sur and Rosetta 2, it will run pretty much anything you need it to, as long as it's not Windows. It's not a perfect desktop. A smaller port selection and support for only 2 displays is a real letdown, but the overall value you get in a new Mac Mini is more than we ever expected for the new, more affordable price. Buy this mini PC for its seriously fast performance, seamless support for more software, and more affordable than ever before. The disappointments with this PC are no aftermarket upgrades and fewer Thunderbolt 3 ports. So these are the top 5 best mini PCs that you can consider to buy. If I had left any of the best mini PC in this video, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.